Friends, it has been way too long, but you know what? We're starting back, and here's the update. I am 5 months preggo, maybe even 6 at this point, and I miss creating on my main YouTube channel. Oh, I want to set up and talk to you guys, but man, I cannot find this one cable. I let my son play with my gear sometimes, and it's a problem, but I need the cable that goes from this to the camera. Aha! It wasn't even his fault. It was mine. Too bright, better, too dark, just right. I'm just gonna call it out, you guys. I was not planning to film. I am so far from camera ready. I am preggo fat. Yes, deal with it. I'm pregnant. I'm dealing with it. I look totally different than I usually do. I just wanna hit record. It is what it is. I can't tell you the number of times that I have thought about how can I come back to the channel. I have scripts that are perfectly crafted, but here we are being in the moment together, making this whole thing happen. And I'm not gonna gab for very long. So here's the real update. I basically killed my business by killing this channel by stopping posting. And I started a new YouTube channel June of last year. That channel is over 2,000 subscribers. It is less than 40 watch hours away from being monetized. So exciting. The reason that I ended up creating a new channel is because I needed to clean this one up. I had 2 audiences that I was talking to on the same channel, and that can create a lot of mess on the backside of YouTube. So what I needed to do was extract anything related to human design that was nerdy deep dives teaching human design and put it on this other channel. It was a humbling thing to restart a YouTube channel, but I can now tell you it is amazing actually how fast you can get a YouTube channel up and running with the right strategy. You just have to be willing to get through those first 3 months, which are extremely painful, where you might get like 12 views in 12 hours. It's a thing. Now, while there's so much that I could share with you in this video, I told you I wasn't gonna gab for long, so let's keep moving with our day. I hope I'm recording. This is my first time ever recording in the car. It's been a little bit of a trial and error process so far. I had to use the back camera and add action mode onto it as well so that it ideally takes out the bumps. We'll see how that works. I will say vlogging in general is a major learning curve. It is something that I practiced a lot while I was not actually filming for this channel. Figure out when I wanted to film, when I was inspired to film, what I naturally filmed, and all of the things. It's a new day. I'm literally drinking pre-workout and sitting at my desk. This has kind of been a reality these days, and I hate to admit it. It's terrible. One of the major hurdles is being a mom and having a partner and all the things that come with those 2 things. It's a lot more challenging to spontaneously hit record. Y'all are just gonna have to get used to me without makeup because it's yet another day. I haven't washed my face. If you are someone watching this without kids or your kids are out of the house, my goodness gracious, you have such a huge opportunity in comparison to someone like me. I made it! 45 minutes late, but I'm here and with stuff for the potluck. So the group that I'm about to walk into is called the Women's Badass Entrepreneur Group here in Austin, Texas. I always want to go to it, and it's so often that I can't. And so I was very excited to be able to go today. So let's go catch up with these ladies. So at this point in the video, you're probably thinking, okay, cool, she's back. That's awesome. She hasn't said anything in this video. So what is this channel going to even be about moving forward? What I'm ready to do is just release control entirely, let go of strategy, just hit record, just start posting imperfectly, and show up and see what unfolds. Because ultimately, what I want to be able to do on this channel is to show you how to create aligned content for yourself that feels fully authentic in this era of AI. And AI is definitely one of those things that I want to be diving into because I have been going very deep into Agentic AI, which if you have not heard yet, is kind of the next level of where things are going with AI. Now, full transparency, I got a lot on my plate at this point, being 6 months pregnant. I mean, I'm huge at this point. Seriously, I feel giant. Like I'm growing a baby in there, what the heck? The female body is simply insane. I'm also coming back to this channel knowing that I'm going to be going on mat leave, obviously, come end of June, early July, sometime in there. And I also have a second channel that I'm now running with Frequency of Self, the Human Design YouTube channel. And I've brought collaborators into that channel to make that a little bit of an easier lift. plus AI is helping in the process as well. So there's a lot happening behind the scenes with the limitation of motherhood continuing forward. So all that to say, there's a lot to share, and at the same time, a lot going on. So I'm not gonna promise that I'm gonna be back to weekly content, but I want to at least break the seal, come back and start testing myself in just filming and releasing kind of crappy videos until I find what is most effective for me, what is most sustainable, and what lights me up, and what is most valuable to you. Because you matter a whole lot. So with that, let's just keep this short and sweet. I will see you in the next video.